We're setting up today at the Leonard Center on the campus of Macalester College for an indoor track meet this afternoon. As you see, the finish line, just like with the outdoor track, opposite wall, you're going to want, or opposite the camera, some type of whiteboard that will give you a much cleaner picture than if we were shooting into those multicolors that they have back there. Working with me today is my timing partner, Mr. Bob Kubiak. Those are his shoes up on the ladder as he puts the clamp into place on the timing pole. Not recommended that you stand on top of the ladder, but he's up there doing it anyway. Sighting the flat plate, looking out at the lane lines, so that we can get as close as possible to our finish line on the first try. If not, we can adjust it on the arm. We're now going to be placing the camera, snapping the camera on, provided, of course, that Bob doesn't fall down. Not probably meet OSHA standards, but you take what you can get. Camera snaps in place. And we're now ready to start hooking up the various wires to the back of the camera. Key thing to remember, whether setting up inside or outside, is that you want to protect your wires. In this particular case, we'll block off the area between the running track and the tub because we can't get it right underneath where all of the different electrical connections are. So that area in between the track and the pole, we will block off so that we don't have people running through there. Our next step will be to turn the camera on and connect it to a computer so we can start aligning and finding the finish line. We're now opening up finish links, and you can see in the lower right-hand corner of the alignment screen, the green bars are loading. Hopefully this is seeable. Trying to keep the screen open as much as we can here. And we have our white line at top with our settings. And now we'll be opening the window. We have a beautiful blue running track here. And this great new facility, second year of operation here at Macalester. Next thing we're going to be doing is starting to look for and starting to align to the finish line. You see the white at the bottom. As we come up on the finish line, you'll start seeing got a little green color in there.
It's mostly due to lack of light.
Yeah. Well, sometimes hard to tell here in these indoor facilities just exactly where we're at.
I can go left or right so you can say this is definitely the line. That's not the line.
There we're off the finish line and we're coming back to it now. We're getting closer. And there it's starting to turn whiter.
And then as you go past it,
We're going to go past it on the other side now, so that you get that view. And then slowly work our way back. You also have the option on your computer, on the icons on the right-hand side there, of let the camera find its own finish line, or what it perceives as the best finish line. We're going through several adjustments, so making sure that we can see the correct folks, the correct parts of the body on both sides. We're getting a lot of different feedback indoors here because there's a multitude of different colors that are out there, giving us a feedback that sometimes will drive you nuts indoors, especially. Bob will be going through lane 1, and we'll be going through lane 8. We've only got about midpoint of the body.
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Pick it up a little bit.
He's going up the ladder now on the. Going to use the geared head, and we're going to tip it up a little bit so that we get. And that's cleaning it up too, Robert. That's cleaning it up. You see the upper portion there. That's the whiteboard on the far side. The darker part at the top is just due to not enough light coming down. Okay, we've completed our camera alignment. We have McAllister's 2.0 high-tech software in here, and we're now going to go in. Bob, start at setup to double check and make sure we got photo finish. You go down to your photo finish, click that. We want to make sure that we're checked on Finish Links file sharing. And then we go to the run menu. We see our meet. We go to interfaces, go to your photo finish, Finish Links file sharing. We're going to update start lists. Walk through it. We're on day 1, and we're activated, and we're going to change data location. And it tells us where the information is contained. And we're going to click OK, and OK again at the bottom, and it will come on and tell you that schedule and start lists have been successfully copied to C pre-MIAC 12, and click OK.
And that folder is a shared folder here.
Yeah. We've now sent the information from high-tech over to the Lynx computer. They're networked through our hub, and we're going down to options. And our first stop will be under event. And event directory and backup directory have both have that same shared folder on the 2 lines. And the other place that we need that is under database. Your input directory and output directory are, again, all same. With the computers hooked up, you can go in and browse and see the other computer's hard drive and copy them in there. Once we know that we've got that, we're now going to go to the middle of our 3 card files. And we're going to load schedule. And from the drop-down window, we should see the first or the complete meet schedule and highlight the first event on the schedule, and that will bring up on our computer that we're capturing with for Lynx the complete first heat of that happened to be the women's 60-meter hurdles. So that's just a quick tutorial on going through from HITECH, sending the shared folder over through your network, and bringing it up on the Lynx side.